You gonna give her one? Only one, and make sure it's all gone. Well, push it in her mouth, bud. Say, here's your poof.
Here's your poof. There.
Yeah, what do you think? Do you think she likes them?
So I can eat one.
You can eat one too? Do you think Anna likes them? Let's see if she can pick one up. Hi. You said good stuff?
I can eat one more.
Okay.
And here one for Anna.
Here, let's see if she can pick it up. Oh, you're going to put it in her mouth?
Get some
But
more.
you got to stick it all the way in her mouth. Otherwise she can't get it quite yet.
It's good.
You think she likes them? I don't know if she knows just quite yet.
Knows what?
If she likes them.
Get some more, please.
That was nice. Ask him. Let's see if Anna can put it in her mouth. No, not interested. Oh, dear.
I can't get it.
Bud, that wasn't for you. Banana. There's one right here.
It's right here. You can eat it.